Right. Ready?
Yeah. I'm going to pin myself in.
Oh no! You've done another gearbox, haven't you?
Rolling. There you go.
What's this, you might ask? That's Nick. This is a lock and wheel nut key for my Toyota.
Mr. 2?
Toyota, because today, well, I haven't got second gear anymore, because when I took Jack McNeil out in it, hashtag Jack McNeil, when I took him out in it, we were just so crazy about driving it and enjoying it, I lost second gear, which actually the gearbox was on borrowed time. It was a stock gearbox and the car's making, how much more pound than stock? 3 times what it should do?
2, 4, 6, 4, nearly.
Nearly 4 times what it should have done out of the factory. So to be fair, we got some good time out of her, but I've got over in the corner, right behind, I've got a 5-speed DC5 Integra box with a Gearbox gear kit. Yeah, 5-speed with a Gearbox kit, which should put up with what we're putting through it. I've also put my spoiler on and my front spoiler and my rear bits. Anyway, I'll show you that in a little bit. But today, it's a bank holiday. It's nice and quiet. I've got the shop to myself, as you can see. I'm going to get stuck in.
Except for me.
Well, and Nick as well.
I'm an assistant today.
Yeah, and I'm really looking forward to
mechanic.
that because I've never had an apprentice that knows literally nothing about cars. So, well, mechanically,
How dare you?
mechanically
How
knows nothing
dare
about cars.
you?
So we're going to see if we can get this gearbox fitted because I've got to get done and get back out because we're going out to celebrate this evening, aren't we? Yes, we're going to have a few jars. Anyway, so follow me on this little journey and hope that I get done in time. Good luck.
What are we doing?
Well, I'm going to turn the stereo off.
Yeah, let's do that.
Because of technology controls, so what I'm going to do, the next step I'm quite a way in, is drain the gearbox oil. Now I don't have second gear on this car, so I figured to show...
Has it gone a bit bitey?
Well no, I've just got first, and then you go a second, and it goes in the gate, but just rev it, nothing happens. Third, hey, and you're back off again. That's it. So I'm going to drain the oil out, because I've got a feeling we're going to find some nasties in there.
Oh,
so.
I can't wait. Well, are we draining into this, are we?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
I'm going to get a ratchet out of
Careful
Adam's
though,
box.
because we're doing a thing. Careful, because the GoPro's up there.
Oh,
we're using our kind hands, aren't we, Owen?
Well, that's quite a challenge for me, as you know.
Bucket then.
Yeah, so
Be assistant mechanic.
yeah, that was good helping there. I'll put it in the direction of flow. You don't want it really shining into the lens,
hole?
and it.
Oh,
right,
here?
it's here, yeah. Where can I put it where it's not going to offend the camera?
Well, I can move the camera to a less offensive place. Oh, wait, we need to put it down, surely.
Hang on, I'm just cracking it off.
Alright. You cracking it off?
That's not that.
Oh.
Right.
That's it. That's a good one there, yeah.
See what pleasure comes out of it. It might be nothing, but I know I've definitely got bits. Okay.
It looks dirty, but it's, you know.
Now have a look in there. Look at all the shiny stuff. If I give it a bit of a move around,
It does look semi-metallic.
bit silvery. At some point, I will take the gearbox apart. That's not too sad, actually. I was expecting worse. I mean, there's probably more bits in there than I'd like, but it's got a lovely goldy colour where the synchro meshes have had a real hard time.
Don't spill it on the new floor.
No.
What happens if I do this?
Please no. It's not only you that will get in trouble. No, please. It's just not worth it. It's just not worth it.
Yeah, but
No.
Well, that's a nice noise, isn't it?
Actually, I'm pleasantly surprised. I've got brand new Honda gearbox oil to go in the new gearbox. Yeah, rap type stuff.
Right,
so
we'll cut back when there's some stuff happening.
Yeah.
I'm looking at your bunghole now.
Well, yeah. There's a thing.
Power starts.
Oh, this is nothing. I can go to here.
I'll also do this.
Yeah. Oh no, fuck off. All that remains. I mean, I've only been on this about an hour. All that I've got left.
And you've had a top crack team of mechanic Gloss over that.
Yeah, who's that? I don't know.
I'll catch up in the
So
edit.
all I've got remaining is the drive shafts, which have been undone, but I don't want to undo them and drop all over my new floor, which doesn't look too new anymore. I've got drive shafts and this engine mount this side, and I think it's going to slide off. Giggity. You know, a bit of jack for the lads. Look at that calf operation. So what we're going to do is calf operation. I'm going to support the motor, and
takes a while, doesn't it, to get up?
yeah, well, it's a lot of I think they take about 500 kilos, something like that. So anyway, so we're going to support the engine, and then I'm going to take off the gearbox mount on that side, spreading the load on this bit of wood here. Hopefully, I've maxed it out. Here we go. Go on, girl. That's not good.
That's all of it. Why don't you bring the ramp down?
Well, yeah, but the thing is, the ramp has to go up a bit before it comes down.
Oh.
So let's try a bit of this.
Oh.
Is something happening? Is that?
Well, it's on it. That is now structural. It's on it, yeah.
That feels right. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to support the engine, and then I'm going to drop the engine and gearbox down just to get some clearance, and then we're going to slide that bitch off.
There you go.
And that is it. Then it's gearbox off, check the other one,
Cut
throw
to
it in.
burnout.
Yeah, that's it, straight away. That's how easy it is.
Well, ain't you as smart as attack?
Right, one here. I'm going to take these guys off here. Another one there. I'd be using electric tools for this, but...
Sorry about that, everyone. We didn't even acknowledge it.
Sorry? What?
I just burped. You didn't acknowledge it. You just cracked up.
Well, again, because that's workshop
Excuse
environment,
me.
isn't it?
Excuse me.
Oh, well, that's fine then. You can't just do what you want to say,
like-
excuse me.
it's
You
like-
can't go and fucking set fire at someone's house and say, oh, excuse me.
Oh, you had to bring that up, didn't you? You had to bring that up.
So I would normally use electric tools on this, but I don't want to traipse around the workshop too much because of the floor.
You've not mentioned that yet.
Not at all. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'm out of touch, man. I've got a cramp in my hand. I'm so old.
I would say you're of an age now where you don't fall over.
I have a fall.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit nervous
Why?
because things might happen in a minute.
Oh, should I step back?
Yeah, it might be wise. It's off.
Am I still putting tension on this?
I just want to keep it clear of
That. I ain't got this. Oh.
See what I mean?
Right, hold that then.
Right.
Hold that. Your finger.
Yeah, but do not fucking hurt yourself. Right, and when this comes out, you've got most of the weight there, careful. Well done. That was far easier than suspected. So I was a little bit concerned. This is the competition clutch twin plate they've got on there. Works like, it's just amazing. Very grabby, which you may have seen, but it freaking works. Engine's hanging down a little bit. I've got a little bit of an oil leak somewhere around here and it's running down the bell housing, but it doesn't look too much of a panic now. Old gearbox, no second gear, new box, but that's about where we are. If I get time, I do want to see inside it because 100% that's got some bad shit going on inside.
You say cut. Deep joy. Right, so we done.
Fucked it. No, swapped a few bits over, cut a few bits off, now we're going to put it back in. That's about
Down there, new one going in.
Yeah, so it's going to take more than just the two of us to get it back in, so we've got help to my left and to my right to lift it back in. If I wasn't being lazy, I would leave the gearbox mount off to help it go up, but getting back up there, up and down with the ramp, all this rubbish, I can't be bothered with it, so we're just going to force it up and get going. Yeah.
Okay, great. Well, can't wait.
Either I've got to come more down or more twist. If you put it a bit higher.
I've got nothing. Oh, that hurt so bad.
Yes.
Just jammed my fucking knee on the...
It's pretty much got to go straight up.
Yeah, there ain't
Either
loads there, is there?
That's it.
Here we go, here we go.
Right. To me a bit.
Towards you, just
That's it. In now, isn't it? Opposite way.
Yeah, so
Little
it's
bit to
good.
me. That's it.
There.
Straight up there, and it'll go in.
Well,
there.
it'll probably go in as it is.
Yeah.
We'll try going in with it.
The hips, look at the hips go.
See it?
Get on that now. That. Here, let me help you. Oh, let me just get that. Oh, go on it. Do you reckon? Go on.
Yeah. I didn't even move a muscle.
It's all in the throw, isn't it?
One that you think I moved, anyway. Giggity, giggity.
Whoops.
Raced.
I'm not going to go crazy because I don't fancy dying today.
Would it just step out like?
I don't know.
Super quick.
I haven't driven it very hard in this weather ever, really, because I've.
Does it heat at work?
It does, yeah, but it's not going to be hot yet, is it?
We're going backwards a lot today, aren't we?
Metaphorically and physically. First.
Go on. Let's have a go then.
Second. Third. Oh, not booting it up here. It's a residential area.
Uh-oh.
Got a bit of a stretch. All right.
Uh-oh.
I haven't done this yet.
Here we go.
So first gear.
When it bites though.
Oh yeah. Yeah, when it starts to work, you're off.
Oh man.
Oh yeah. Come on, girl. That was about the third throttle. It's so good, isn't it? Right. Ready?
Yeah. I'm going to pinch myself in.
Oh no. You've done another gearbox, haven't you?
Do you know what I thought?
What you done?
Do you know what I thought?
Put the handbrake on. Where is the handbrake?
Fuck it.
Oh, it's there.
Do you know what I thought? It's wet. So the worst it's going to do is wheel spin.
What happened?
Something's broke.
Try and drive it.
What I just did?
Oh, you were doing it?
Yeah.
Oh no.
You know what happened, didn't you?
What?
You went glug, 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 glug.
Yeah, I heard the glug glug. We got it. We're all rolling. That's good. What is it you always do in cars? Is it driving really fast and they never go wrong? No, it's not that.
No,
at
no,
all,
no,
is
that's
it?
not
No,
the fun. The
that's
fun
not
isn't
what you
there.
do. You
breaking
drive them and break them.
I think it's broken. Should we have a guess? I wasn't even going mad. I mean, this is wet ground. It's got no traction, so it should be like, let's go.
Can I hear it try and go again? Or is that?
It makes just a lot of shit noises.
Oh,
really.
okay.
So
Clutch,
no, clutch feels good, and I could take up drive still.
gearbox.
Well, the good thing is the gearbox is like
Drive
mega.
shafts.
I think it's a CV joint or drive shaft. But then like on wet ground.
Yeah, you trying to justify
Do you
it?
know how funny this is? Right, this is the same road that I broke the start motor on the
On the Escort? I know that.
I don't have my phone, so
Stu's trying to ring us.
oh, this will be
This will be
interesting.
interesting. Yeah, I can't get to it though. Seatbelt engaged.
Well, thank goodness for that. We ain't crashing anywhere. Don't worry about it.
Oh,
Hello.
just
Hi.
a quick one. I've just had Leanne try and call me.
Yeah,
Yeah, just a quick one back.
Yeah.
we've broken down.
Oh.
With the
I went to pull away really fast, and it went glug 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 glug, glug, and now something's broken.
There's Stu. Look.
Oh. How are we going to get you back then?
We're gonna tow it, I suppose.
It doesn't drive. Well, I think maybe tow it is my option. I don't know what's happened. I think something's broken. Well, drive shaft maybe, but it's wet. Like it shouldn't have done it. It just shouldn't have done it. It went vroom, and then and then went a big bang, and now it's like.
We got no drive.
I mean, it moves, but it makes a fucking god awful noise. Let me try it. Hang on. There you go.
Just a drive shaft rattling around.
I think so. Something's broken. Let's have a look.
Nothing falling out of it either.
Nah, the inside, the drive shaft's okay. I've got a feeling it's the inside drive shaft.
We're doing this all for you as well.
Right.
What is it for me?
Well, we didn't need to do this if it wasn't for your stereo, did
No,
we?
You didn't need to go down to Joss Bay. You could have just come straight back.
Well, I was taking the long road.
That's his fault.
So it ain't my fault, is it? You could have come back here. You drove past here, basically, to get to where you are.
No, we didn't
So
drive
don't
past.
fucking blame it's broken down.
Stu,
What?
signal's breaking up.
We're the ones in the shit.
Silencing, doesn't it?
We're the ones in the shit. We need him to help us, and you just pissed him off.
It's just this noise, though, isn't it?
Well,
I can push you a bit of a way.
I mean,
How far do you need to go? I can get you to that
but
van.
like back to the workshop.
I'll get you to that van. Fuck. Is the handbrake off? It's like that the Iron Man challenge you used to watch on Channel 4. It's going a lot uphill now.
Faster.
That's a lot uphill. I think I'm done.
Yeah, alright then.
All right, I'll be like 15, 20 minutes, something like that. All right.
Alright.
All right. See you soon. Bye. Actually,
That went alright. That was alright, wasn't it?
did you already?
Oh.
You fuck it. Oh, next. Hello. No.
One opens.
You
got tow rope.
I didn't look, well, Dan said there's a bar. I left, got down Reading Street, and the petrol light is on.
This could make for an interesting affair.
This could be a double breakdown.
Yeah, but that'll get us back, won't it? Surely.
It's a 6 litre V8.
You're right there.
Fucking thing. It took me 5 minutes to there we go.
Fuel is low, I'll give you that.
It's below the bar.
We pushed it, we're all the way down there, we pushed it up. Is this what you do now? You don't have a tow rope anymore?
Yeah, you're not allowed to use them. On that note,
Go on.
no, this might not be the end. This isn't going to be the end of this video. It can't be.
What do you mean it can't be?
No, I'm going to throw a drive shaft in it. I'm going to do the damn thing and go out and drive the shit out of it.
We're going to do some sort of exuberant
But you can
drive.
cut it out if you like. So like, comment, subscribe, share. If you want to see us break more shit, it's me more normally. Then do that.
Ah! We can set off a celebratory fire extinguisher.
We can the fuck not.
Oh, okay.